This is a very common occurrence when traveling behind a truck, which if we're well aware of and try to avoid, could well save us from a shattered, a cracked or a chipped windscreen or windshield. Trucks are likely to kick up stone and grit on the side of the road for two reasons: the tread of their tires, as well as the non-aerodynamic shape of the truck, which creates those vortices behind the truck and is likely to suck up dirt and grit and gravel on the side of the road. If the truck is traveling very close to the edge of the road, so close to the shoulder section, where there is a lot more loose gravel and grit on the roads, then there's a greater likelihood that such debris will be flung up onto our vehicle. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.